Hi guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today we are making chicken kebab papebi. Let's dig right into the video. So we start by soaking our bamboo skewers in water so when it goes to the oven it doesn't burn. Using chicken breast for this recipe, and we've washed it and diced it to our desirable sizes. We are adding 1 teaspoon of mixed spices, 1 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of blended garlic, ginger and onion. We are mixing up to make sure all the spices is coated well with our chicken and leave it to marinate for at least an hour before we get grilling. While we are waiting for our chicken to marinate, we prep our vegetables. Here we are using red, yellow and green bell pepper and some red onions. For this recipe, we would need our bamboo skewers, our chicken and our vegetables. You can choose any vegetable of your choice. And then we go ahead and arrange our chicken on our kebab sticks. Then we throw it right into the oven. Guys, let's take a minute to admire this chicken. It's the colors for me. Anyways, before we throw our chicken into the oven, we coat it with some oil. Please check the description box below to find all the ingredients used for this recipe. Look at all this gorgeousness. I can't wait to taste this. Looks so yummy and colorful. So after coating it with the oil, you throw it into the oven on 180 degrees Celsius and grill it for 15 minutes on each side. So total cook time is 30 minutes. And guys, after, you can sprinkle some Suya pepper on it and it tastes so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this and let me know if you try this as well. Comment down below the next recipe you would like to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what to tell you. Subscription is free. Please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.